What's going on, y'all? This is AJ Hall from Left Field Drum Breaks, and today I'm going to be demoing the Bedroom Producers Blog Dirty Filter plugin. It's a free plugin, and it's one of my favorite plugins ever to use on drums, so check it out. All right, so here's the break just through the tape without the filter. And it's dope, but I want to take the edge off the distortion. So I turn on the Bedroom Producers Blog Dirty Filter for that. Check it out. It keeps the distortion, but it tames it a little bit. And you can even change the low pass filter to get all sorts of different tones out of the break. Check it out. I'm gonna start changing the filter. It's so perfect on drums, man. Bedroom Producers Blog Dirty Filter. Go get that. Once again, folks, my name is AJ Hall. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons, and go get that BPB Dirty Filter plugin, man. Listen, I just made 5 drum breaks with that kit through that reel-to-reel tape machine, and I used the BPB Dirty Filter on all 5 of them. They're available for free right now, so go get those. And if you want more like that, there's over 300 drum breaks played by me and mastered to analog tape for that real grit available on my website, ajhallmusic.com, or you can follow me on all social media channels at AJHall89. Let's go.